Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Lollipop marker. First, gather your materials. You'll need some vibrant paper, a small wooden dowel, a marker of your choice, and a reliable adhesive. Also, have your scissors, a ruler, and a pencil ready. Make sure the marker you select has a cap that can be easily removed and securely reattached, as this is crucial for the design. Now, let's create the iconic Lollipop head. Take your colorful paper and cut a strip that is 1 1/2 inches wide and 12 inches long. Apply a thin, even line of strong adhesive along one of the long edges of this paper strip. Then, carefully and tightly roll the entire strip, starting from the non-glued end, to form a compact, circular shape that will be the top of your Lollipop marker. With your Lollipop head ready, it's time for assembly. Carefully insert one end of the small wooden dowel into the center of your rolled paper head, applying a bit more adhesive to ensure it's firmly attached. Next, attach your marker's cap to the opposite end of the wooden dowel using strong adhesive. Let all the adhesive dry completely, ideally for at least 30 minutes, before you start using your new marker. To add some personal flair, consider adding decorative elements like a sprinkle of glitter or a small ribbon tied around the wooden dowel. Just make sure these additions don't interfere with the marker's function. Always ensure the marker cap fits snugly onto the marker itself for proper storage and to prevent it from drying out. Your unique Lollipop marker is now complete and ready to bring some fun to your notes and drawings. And hey, before you go, remember to check the description below for that sock link and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.